Good day, I'm Lisa Rowe, and this is your JIS News for Thursday, February 29, 2024. Government has identified $85 million to spend on bringing water to more Jamaicans in rural areas in the upcoming fiscal year. The money is allocated for the Rural Water Supply Improvement Project, which will be implemented by Rural Water Supply Limited and is set to commence in April. The engagement is intended to provide potable water in non-utility service areas across 6 parishes. Among the anticipated outcomes for the 2024-2025 fiscal year is the establishment of the Project Management Unit. Office equipment and motor vehicles will also be procured, and works contractors will be retained for all the schemes. The Government of Jamaica and the Caribbean Development Bank are co-funding the project, which is slated to end in March 2029. The Jamaica Defense Force's ability to monitor and safeguard the country's borders will be strengthened through an allocation of approximately $1 billion in the new fiscal year. The funds will go towards making final contractual payments to complete procurement of coastal surveillance equipment. Details are contained in the 2024-2025 Estimates of Expenditure, which was tabled recently in the House of Representatives by the Minister of Finance and the Public Service, Dr. Nigel Clark. The procurement is being made under the Purchase and Overhaul of Ships Coastal Surveillance Project, which commenced in 2018. It aims to facilitate the procurement of radar, marine offshore patrol vessels, cameras, software, hardware, and other equipment for the JDF. Up to December 2023, 3 marine patrol vessels were secured. The project, which is being financed from the Consolidated Fund, falls under the Ministry of National Security and is slated to conclude in July 2024. More persons living with disabilities are to be integrated into the government's overseas Farmwork program as part of its inclusivity initiative. Minister of Labour and Social Security, Pernell Charles Jr., made the declaration during the recent closing out ceremony for the Strategic Engagement of Rural Women with Disabilities in Sustainable Farming Techniques project. The minister reveals that 2 individuals have already been recruited and are now making preparation to depart Jamaica. He says the ministry is actively striving to increase the number of participants so that more persons will be able to access overseas employment opportunities.
We are focused on ensuring that we can challenge and teach the entire nation to understand the importance of the value of these initiatives and the value of giving support to persons with disabilities.
Students are being encouraged to build their technology skills and seek careers in the lucrative cybersecurity sector. The urging comes from the Minister with Responsibility for Skills and Digital Transformation, Senator Dana Morris Dixon. She was delivering the keynote address at the recent launch of a free Wi-Fi hotspot in Waterford, St. Catherine. During the launch, some students were also presented with laptop computers. Dr. Dixon asserts that having qualifications in cybersecurity will deliver high-paying jobs for young people looking for a viable career path.
If you're looking for a quick way to a career that's going to make you lots of money, cybersecurity is one. We have 3 million jobs. Well, we need 3 million workers globally in cybersecurity. If you have any certification in cybersecurity, you are guaranteed a job. And it's a good paying job, either here or globally.
She advises that the Heart NSTA Trust offers various digital training courses and is very digitally oriented with technology at its base. And finally, Jamaica is set to host the inaugural Elevate Procurement Conference, aimed at creating a more efficient, transparent, and inclusive procurement system that is beneficial to all stakeholders. The 3-day conference is scheduled for April 23 to 25 at the Montego Bay Convention Center under the theme Elevate, Innovate, Create. It is being hosted by the Office of Public Procurement Policy in the Ministry of Finance and the Public Service. The event is expected to attract local, regional, and international experts and stakeholders from the business community as well as legislators. It also targets suppliers of goods, services, and works, along with local civil society and corruption watchdog groups and procuring entities. During the recent media launch held at the AC Hotels by Marriott, the ministry's Chief Public Procurement Officer, Andre Bennett, said the conference would feature riveting discussions with various breakout sessions, lectures, and symposiums. These are to tackle different challenges within public procurement and devise solutions. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Lisa Rowe. Thanks for watching.